today I thought I'd give you a little tour of my 1978 Ford F-150. It's pretty cool. It's like a project truck, but once you moved into a house, you realize the convenience of having a truck, just all like the materials that you need to buy. So we got this bad boy. It's pretty cool. Let's go. I'll show you it. Okay, let's do a little walkthrough of the truck here. You can see the exterior looks pretty good. Definitely has the rain guard rust that I think is pretty common. And then truck bed, a little bit rusted, but I mean, for 40 years outside, I'd say it looks pretty good. So exterior, there's nothing really major. There is, when we bought it, the owner did tell us about, I'm trying to see if you can see it here, the front axle. There's some issue with alignment with the front right wheel here, so we still have to get that fixed. I'll show you the engine. Okay, and so I really know nothing about cars. I had my brother-in-law look at this like real quick once, and he said it looks like it could be the original engine. So I think that's pretty cool, 40-year-old engine in here. It still runs good when it starts running. We've had some issues. It's wired very strange. I'll show you the interior. This seat's pretty busted, but I know this is an easy replacement here. But it's wired very strange. It has kill switches. So the car only will turn off if you turn the kill switches off, and then it'll only turn on if you have those pushed up. So the wiring is very strange. It has an air horn. You can see it up there. But there's a leak in it. Fill it up with air and it leaks pretty quickly. Fill it up over there. But other than the seat, I mean, the dash is really not bad. Has, has some sun damage. The visors have fallen off. This looks like it was replaced pretty recently. It has a CD player in here, but it's just like these like little speakers hanging down. So yeah, there's definitely there's a lot of things to work on here. But for now, we've taken it to the nursery and to the home improvement store a bunch of times. The truck bed is huge. It fits full pieces of plywood in there. So that's awesome. So I'll get this thing started up. Show you how it runs. Come on, Pipes. Let's go. Piper. Come on. Come on, let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so I wanted to do this in real time so you can watch and see the struggle of getting this thing to actually go into drive. It always starts up fine. When you try to shift it, it stalls out. Once you get it running, it stays running perfectly. But it's still like initial starting and shifting it into gear. That's always a struggle. So if you don't want to watch this whole process, just skip ahead about a minute. Okay, so there she is, guys. Let's see if I can show you underneath here. We have found kittens living in here before, so we have to be careful of that because we do park it outside. But yeah, there she is. Like I said, I don't know a lot about cars, really much of anything, but it's something I always wanted to learn. So we're definitely going to be doing some projects on this, adding things here and there, at least just to keep it running and functional. So if you guys have any questions or any suggestions or ideas, let me know. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.